Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Naomi Cowan cops a reggae recording of the year at the Juno Awards, becoming the 10th woman to win the award. Naomi Cowan, who snagged the award for her 2025 project, Welcome to Paradise, shared that it has been her lifelong dream to be a reggae artist.
It has been the honor of my lifetime to be a reggae music artist. Reggae is a genre that has healed thousands of people around the world and has transcended many boundaries. So this award is for the genre of reggae music. To my mom and dad, thank you so much for choosing each other over and over, for unconditionally loving me because you inspired this album. To God, my ultimate creative director, thank you.
The awards unfolded over the weekend at the First Ontario Centre in Hamilton, Ontario, Canada. Cherry on top, right? Alkaline recognized with the Champion of Culture plaque after unlocking the key to the city of Flatbush in New York City just days ago. Following his sold-out concert at the Barclays Center, Alkaline is adding another collectible to his collection. The man himself, who was the headlining act at Up the Line over the weekend in Kingston, was presented with a commemorative plaque recognizing him as a true champion of dancehall culture, an honor Guinness is proud to bestow. In a statement, Guinness Junior Brand Manager Lasana Wilson shared that Alkaline has carved out his own lane and defined what it means to be a champion in this era. Now Guinness, through this Champion of Culture plaque, is proud to honor that journey, one built on confidence, consistency, and cultural influence. Here are some highlights from Up to the Line.
Voila! Let me tell you, son of you just come in and them no justice, them a bonus. What bugger? Focus! Signal, six! Shine! Hey! Hold on! Everyone right now, what was... Nobody be sexy, nobody will be...
Vybz Kartel announces collaboration with Nigerian singer Davido and one with Latin star Farruko. The king of dancehall made the announcement while speaking recently on Hot 97.
Also, I don't want to rat myself out, but I also have a song with Davido coming soon.
What?
So look out for that one. That's
nobody,
gonna be crazy.
Nobody know this yet?
No, that's what I'm saying. I just gave you two exclusives. The Farruko Vybz Kartel video shoot today and the Davido Vybz Kartel collaboration. It's crazy.
Now on the international scene, BTS is back on top of the Billboard 200. Their recent release project had the best first week of a new release since Taylor Swift's The Life of a Showgirl last year. The album also recorded the highest sales by a group in more than a decade. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.